Hello, fellow fans of our Error Genie YouTube channel. If you're a dedicated player of 8-ball pool who has recently encountered the frustration of a ban, don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're here to assist you in the process of unbanning your 8-ball pool account, allowing you to jump back into the game you love. Understanding why your account faced the banhammer is step 1. Miniclip, the game's developer, takes a strong stance on fair play. Bans can result from cheating, third-party software usage, or even account sharing. What follows after a ban is access loss. Your hard-earned coins, cash, and game progress become unreachable until the ban lifts. But fear not, a solution awaits. If your ban is temporary, the wait-and-watch approach is method number 1. Temporary bans naturally expire after a predefined duration. During this waiting game, reflect on the misstep that led to your ban and use the time to improve your gameplay ethics. For those with a permanent ban, a bit more effort is required, but don't lose hope. Reach out to Miniclip's customer support. On the Miniclip website, locate the Contact Us link at the page's bottom. Fill in the requested information and in the message, politely explain your situation and request an account unban. If your ban seems unwarranted, provide context or express genuine remorse if you erred. Although not guaranteed, this approach might persuade Miniclip to reconsider and reinstate your account. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Responses might take a few days or weeks. In case the above doesn't yield results, there's a plan B. Starting anew involves creating a fresh account. It might be a bit of a setback, especially if your previous account held substantial progress. Uninstall the 8-ball pool app, clear related data and cache from your device settings, then reinstall the app and create a new account. Starting from scratch ensures a level playing field, free of unfair advantages. Stick to the rules, dodge third-party tools, and keep your account solely yours. In the grand scheme, while getting banned is a setback, it isn't game over. By following our guidance, you'll soon be sinking shots and mastering matches again. Remember, this experience is a teaching moment. Uphold fair play, respect the rules, and fellow players' experiences. Ultimately, games are about enjoyment and challenge, not a testing ground for cheats. So, let's keep the competition clean and relish in the world of 8-ball pool. Thank you for being part of the Error Genie community. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Your questions and thoughts are welcome in the comments section. Until then, let's keep the gaming spirit alive.